in mathematics. Okay, how should multiply by 11 of 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number or 5-digit number? You can easily multiply by 11. Okay. Now first one, 2-digit number. Should take any 2-digit number. For example, 25. 25 by 11. 25 by 11. The first one. Okay, 25 by 11. How should take? Okay, 25 by 11. So this is the first digit. This is the last digit. Okay, as it is I am writing. Okay, first digit and the last digit as it is. But the sum of these two digits. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. So this 7 should write in middle of a number after multiplication. Okay, 25 into 11 equal to 275. 275. Okay, next problem. Should take any 2-digit number. For example, 63. 63 into 11. Okay, 63 into 11. First digit 6. The last digit is 3. Okay, first digit is 6. As it is I am writing. The last digit is 3 as it is. But the sum of these two digits, 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. You should write this 9 in middle of a number. So 693 is the correct answer. 63 into 11 equal to 693. 693. Okay, I am taking more one example. Okay, what children? 9 to 92. 92 into 11. 92 into 11. The first digit is 9. The last digit is 2. Okay, these two digits as it is I am writing 9, 2. But 9 plus 2, sum of these two digits, 9 plus 2 equals to 11. 9 plus 2 equal to 11. But this one first one only I am writing, but 1 carry to 9. 1 carry to 9. 1 carry to 9. So now how much? 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, 1 0 1 2. 1 0 1 2 is the correct answer. Okay, next 3-digit number. Okay, from this first problem, you take any 3-digit number. Okay, now how much? For example, 1, 2, 3. 123 into 11. 123 into 11 equal to how much? Simple. The first digit is 1. The last digit is 3. Okay, first and last digit as it is I am writing. First and the last digit. Okay, 1 and 3 as it is. But the sum of two digits, sum of first two, these two digits, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So you should write here 3. Next, remain these two digits. Okay, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equal how much? 5. Okay, 5. So I am writing here. So 123 into 11 equals to 1353. 1353. Okay, next problem. Okay, 500. 521. 521 into 11. Okay, 521 into 11. Okay, first digit is 5, the last digit is 1. As it is I am writing. The first digit and the last digit as it is I am writing. But the sum of these two digits, 5 plus 2. equals to 7. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. I am writing in the middle. Okay. Next, sum of these two digits. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Write in the middle. So, answer 5, 7, 3, 1. More one problem. Okay, 985. 85 into 11 equal how much? Okay, our procedure, according to our procedure, first and last digit as it is I am writing 9. Okay, 5. 9 and 5 as it is. But the sum of these two digits, okay, 9 plus 8 equals to 17. Okay, 7 I am writing in middle, but 1 carry to 9. 1 carry to 9. Next what? 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equal to 13. So 3 right in middle, but 1 carry to 7. 1 carry to 7. Okay, how much? 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. 3 as is. 5 as is. So 10835 is the correct answer. 985 into 11 equals to 10835. Next, 4 digit number. Next, what children? 4 digit number. This 4 digit number multiplied by 11. Okay, 4 digit your wish. Okay, 1062. 1062 into 11. Okay. Okay, first digit as it is I am writing. The first digit. The last digit is also writing as it is. The first and last. But what about 1 plus 0 equal to? Okay, 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Okay, next. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. Next. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. Okay. What is the answer? 11682. 11682. The multiplication of 11 of 1062. Answer 11682. Okay. The second problem. 3265. Okay, by 11, multiply by 11. Okay, condition, the first and last digits are, okay, as it is I am writing. The first and last digits are, okay, first and last digits. Okay, 3 plus 2. Okay, how much children? 5. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. 6 plus 5 equals to 11. Okay, 1 carry to 8. Now how much? Okay, 3, 5, 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Okay, 1, 5. So 3, 5, 9, 1, 5. 3265 multiply of 11. Okay, into 11. That is 3.915. Okay, next 5 digit number. Should take any 5 digit number. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4. How many of digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digit number. Multiply by 11. So the first digit and the last digit as it is I am writing. Okay, first digit 2. The last digit is 4. First digit 2. The last digit 4 as it is. Okay, now we should add 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Next 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Now, okay, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4 into 11. That is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. Next problem. We should take 5-digit number. Okay, 5-digit number. 5, 2, 7, 8, 2 into, okay, 11. Okay, first and last digits. First digit is 5 as it is I am writing. The last digit is, okay, 2 is as it is I am writing. But 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. 7 plus 8 is 15. But 5 here I am writing, but 1 carry to 9. Okay, because of 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So 0 here I am writing, 1 carry to 5. 1 carry to 5. Okay, remain next 2 as is already I wrote. Okay, now 5, 7, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 carry to 7. Okay, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Okay, 0. Okay, 2. Next step for 5. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. 0, 6, 0, 2. 5, 2, 7, 8, 2 into 11. That is equal to 5, 8, 0, 6, 0, 2. That is the correct answer. Thank you students watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel.